Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Solana USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So take a look at the chart here. The Sol ETF launched, and what do we get? Nothing. It's good and bad at the same time. Why? It's good because we just pump it 7% on ETF. It's good because usually previous ETFs, when they launch, before we got some crazy rumors, like buy the rumor, sell the fact. Now everybody waited, long-term period Sol ETF, waited. After that, they forgot about this idea, SAC to postpone it, and now they launched, and nothing happened. So even no sell the fact event. It's basically good. Would be much better, of course, if we kind of pump a bit, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. I believe in new all-time high for Sol. I think the Sol, not because I'm Sol fan. I don't care about Sol. I just believe the Sol will pump because I think once again we'll see some new wave on the meme coins on Sol. They will start to distribute and deliver the Solana mobile phone. So it will be the good part of physical marketing around, about a Sol. And I hope that product will be so useful and a good one. And some hopium, some euphoria about a Sol will be when we're gonna hit the new high around 300. Everybody start talking about 500 because of ETF, because of institutional. Now everything will be so great for Sol, but my take for Sol is just conservative one. It's 373, 558. I don't believe in all of these fancy stories about 1K for Sol. Sol will flip Ethereum and all of this absolutely nonsense. So guys, Sol pump it, unfortunately, just because of meme coins, the pump fund, the Jupiter, and this stuff. And if I already explained it, if that time the Polkadot start their marketing campaign and focus on some platform for meme coins, it could be absolutely the same story. Everybody will talk about, oh, take a look, the Polkadot, so great. Because we can gamble the meme coins. The same story with the Sol. So Sol itself is okay. It's okay, but nothing special, right? The meme coins was a driver because the people use the Sol to gamble. They bought a Sol to gamble meme coins on Sol. That's it. So nothing special. I believe in new all-time high, all targets. I showed you. Now you see the result. So we got a ETF. The fact. The ETF, stake it for Sol launch it. Nothing happened because all of this fundamental absolutely doesn't work because people wait. So if they will launch the ETF, we have to skyrocket because it's institutional joined the game. Institutional could accumulate even here. And now they will use that fact about an ETF to hit the new all-time high, and after that they will distribute. But you will see a lot of posts in media. So it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning for Sol. We go into the moon. We go into 1K. So the institutional too late to hop in the Sol, right? And now only now they will buy high and we sell our tokens to them, guys. Don't believe in all of these fancy stories. And ETF is not a solution. It's not a magic, So the same story will be with other tokens, with the Polkadot, with maybe HBAR. I don't know. All right, what is good? It's good. So we don't see any hype now and euphoria, and we stay on the same level. So capitulation, I showed you. It's 42.25. Do I believe in that targets? No. Flash crash local one, it's 75. Because it can be the take profit, this one, buy line, 98, fundamental value 75. It's more than real to see. I can believe in this one. Daily time frame, buy line 100, round number, maybe, but we are in the middle. We're in the middle. I'm not traded Sol. We tried hold the line. Pretty good one at 38 level by FIB. 145. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And we test that level. So it's not random. You can see this is like a block, you know, so it's like important block. Somebody kept the Sol in this block. Why? I have no idea. So I believe, you know, in new all-time high, but with this move or with this move, we will see, I guess, the new all-time high. If it's just a trap, you know, and just we form the deviation at the top, of course, we can drop to lower. Everything depends of just a BTC. All of these stories now around the 8 billion USD value for 8 wallets, you know, who transfer 14 wallets, I guess, who transferred the BTC from 2018, 11. It's kind of weird stories, everything in time, right? That's why, like conclusion, the all-time high possible based on new liquidity from the meme coins gambling once again, but not just because of some ETF will drive the price. Yes, of course, somebody gonna buy it, you know, somebody stake it. It can affect the price, but like a speculation, guys, nothing special for Sol. And like you can see, sometimes the ETF is just a fact. So it's not the solution to bring the institutional into the markets, so they will blindly invest the money into random useless token. Just a speculation token, just a speculation for them. Do you think the institutional care about the TACH and what Sol can bring into our life? Of course not. Here, this is accumulation, this is distribution. So now we're in the middle. I don't like the situation like this one. We are or in accumulation where we buy the Sol, or we're in distribution where we sell. Now we're in the middle. That's why, yes, I wish to see one more wave up to distribution zone and a new high. And it's going to be the crazy divergency on a weekly time frame. Got it. So here was a signal to sell of the Sol, drop, form a new high. Here's a nothing, no accumulation like it was here. Also weird, also weird. Here was an accumulation by market mood. Here March 2025, it was an accumulation. So let's check around in average 125, 122, 103. So it was a comfortable price for the whales accumulate. Now it's a hope. It's a hope. So we can be in the hope zone here, like this area, and crash, or it can be this area, you know, and pump. We can't know the future. We can't know the future. That's why, guys, I don't like the situation like this one. We just in the middle. Logically, of course, by seasonality, by everything what's go around now in the world, BTC dominance, I'm more bullish. I'm more bullish for Sol than bearish. Trade on, money power. Here, money inflow, money outflow, a lot of 1, 2, 3 every side bearish divergence, MACD bearish divergence, money outflow. No, nothing. So it's nothing positive for a Sol, even with the ETF. It's kind of weird. Here's that sell, buy back, bounce. Now nothing. So the targets, guys, were to accumulate a Sol, you know. So, and it's all up to you, up to your own risk, accumulate it now or not. I skip the Sol. What I'm waiting for, I'm waiting the BTC dominance on the 55%. And maybe some meme coins on Sol, I can speculate. Sol, to touch Sol, I don't see any reason. For example, here, I don't look in the profit from altcoins like 153% or 200. This is not what I'm looking for from the altcoin. Time to accumulate a Sol was here. Now we're just in the middle. Yes, with some gains, possible. If you got a big capital, right, and you want to take a risk with some token and you Sol adopt, right, so you believe in Sol, of course you can try. But it's absolutely the same way to choose between the Sol or Ethereum. They're almost on the same level. So it's up to you which token you prefer to invest now. I don't touch now. Sol, maybe like a speculation with leverages, I will buy it $76 if we'll see some flash crash. If not, I don't care. I just share my idea about Sol. It's just my vision. I'm not blaming the token. Any token for me is just a pure speculation. But if we talk about risk ratio, 300%, for example, for new all-time high, 558%. That's not what I'm looking for from the altcoin. And Sol is not a safe haven, guys. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about Solana. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.